What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys the iPhone 15 in the blue color. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys all around. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging here, starting with these bottom two stickers. And as always, Apple makes some of the best unboxing experience ever. There we have the iPhone 15 in the blue color, and I think this color looks absolutely fire. Let me know what you guys think of this color. So nice and satisfying. You can see right in the box we're gonna have our USB C-to-C braided cable here, and unfortunately they don't have any type of color matching here, so it's just a standard white cable. Get a sticker here and a couple little pamphlets, nothing too special. Let's go ahead and power on the iPhone 15. And while that's powering on, let's take a look around the blue color here. Starting with the bottom, we can see the USB-C port right over here. You can see on the left side it has the volume rocker, and this still has the toggle switch for the mute. On the top is nice and clean. Then we have the nice side button here, and check out that blue color. It's definitely a very light sky blue, almost looks white. You see the double camera right over here as well. It doesn't stick out too much, so I do like the slimness of that. So let's go ahead and quickly set up this phone here. I'm going to first start off with your language and your region. Then you have your options for appearances. You can make it medium, large, or default. And over here we have a quick start. If you have your older iPhone or iPad, it will automatically detect it and you can start transferring right away. But we're gonna completely set this up as a brand new iPhone. And all these steps, you just wanna hit continue. Here you would program Face ID. We're gonna set that up later. Here you can set up your passcode. And these are all the options you have to transfer your data. You can use an iCloud backup. You can transfer from another iPhone side to side. You can transfer from a Mac or PC, or even from an Android device, but we're just gonna hit don't transfer anything. And we're not even gonna sign into the Apple ID either, because I just wanted this to be a brand new iPhone. And here you have the options to set up your cellular service. You can transfer it directly from your nearby phone, or you can use a QR code as well to set up the electronic SIM. Here we have options for Hey Siri, screen time, iPhone analytics, app analytics, and we can choose our display here. We could do light, we could do dark, or automatic depending on the time of day. I'm just gonna leave it at light. Emergency SOS, and that's pretty much it. Setting up the iPhone is very easy and simple, and it's a breeze. Let's go ahead and increase the brightness here. Let's go ahead and test out the phone here. Phone feels really nice and snappy. So far from my first impression is that the iPhone 15 is definitely a solid option. It feels really nice and light. You do get the benefits of the USB Type-C, and you do get the new A16 chip. So I'll be doing a lot of content on the iPhone 15, so definitely give me a follow, like, and subscribe on the channel. I really appreciate that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing and setup of the new iPhone 15 in the blue color. Let me know what you guys think of this color in the comment section below, and thanks so much for watching, guys.